Yo, what's good? How y'all feeling, man? Election day just happened. Trump's president again. You know, all the bullshit, blah, blah, blah. Life's a journey. I got this Infiniti Q50 behind me. Hybrid. I don't know if you can see the paint, but it's not really black. It's like a purple. Anyways, here's the hail damage I was showing. I don't know how. That'll be alright. Car's not open. Here's what I'm working on. Replacing the half shaft. You know, I ain't seen no videos on YouTube about replacing the half shaft. So here I am making a video. Infiniti Q50. This is a hybrid S. Hybrid Sport. It doesn't have the 3.7, doesn't have the 3.0. It has a 3.5. So finding this part was not easy. I got the LS400 behind me. Let me get to it though. Let me show y'all what we're working with. Alright. Here's the old half shaft. Snapped in half. How? I don't know. But I got it like this. Runs, doesn't drive. As you can see. So yeah, that's what I'm replacing right now. It's like 4 bolts. What these bitches called? Hex. I think this is a, what is this, 9 mil? 8 mil? 8 millimeter hex. Fuck. Shit. Man, I'm under here, yo. Working on this. It's only a few bolts. This was easy because it was already broken. Let's see if I can grab this bitch out. Oh! Here's the old one. I don't know how this snapped. It's, as you can see, the new one, this is thick. Like, this is, they must have been driving this hard. Every stop flooring it. I don't know how, I don't know. Alright, y'all. You know, when you're working on cars, there's always something. There's always something. Some bullshit. Y'all see this? I'm barely clearing for this to come out. So we're gonna remove this bolt. See if I can do the job. So we can get some more play on the exhaust. Alright guys, I just came up a new bank account. Got all the info. Yeah, we're here with the guys, man. Trying to get this drive shaft in. Half shaft. Really. You got that.
Yeah,
man, I had to get under there, bro.
Pissed off and shit.
You know how he is, gang. Look, I had to cut it in half just to get it out. It was not clearing the exhaust. It's all good. Ain't shit. New one going in.
Literally.
Yeah.
Where's the new shaft?
Put it down over the joint out.
Time for the new one.
Oh yeah.
You got a rig? Justin's getting the shaft in.
Y'all, I had to cut this cat. There's a hanger right there. I just had to make some modifications, you know what I'm saying? Get that in there. Life's a journey. Let's get it. Hey, YouTube, what's good? I didn't finish this video, but I wanted to let y'all know you need to pull off the catalytic converter. Bank 1 catalytic converter, it has to come off. You have no room to get those splines in, and you need to pull off the exhaust. I try to cut my way in, finesse my way in. Now I gotta pull off the exhaust, weld the cat back together, all this. Man, don't take shortcuts on these cars, man. Pull off that catalytic converter. I hope y'all enjoyed. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Any support. Peace.